What's up guys, welcome back to Finance to Fly. My name is Luke and I'm here to help you elevate your travel while minimizing your spending. Welcome back to Travel Rewards Weekly, Episode 2. So to start things off, we're going to go over one of the sign-up bonuses I missed last week, but that's been out for a little bit right now. It's on the Hyatt Personal Card. It is 5 free night awards after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months. Those free night awards are able to be used in category 1 through 4 hotels, and that's worth about 90,000 points at its max, which for Hyatt points is pretty good. You're obviously getting a higher point value through the 5 free nights, but it does have some downsides, like it's limited to category 1 through 4 hotels, and they expire after a year. Obviously, there's both pros and cons to both the points and the free night awards, but I definitely would go with the free night awards because those are worth more than the points can get you. Next up, there's currently an IHG buy points promotion. It's 80% more when you buy points, and this is until November 1st. I wanted to point this out because in either past videos or upcoming videos, can't remember, I talk about buying points and how it can be a good strategy. Don't buy them with this promotion. It's not a good bonus. There's probably going to be a bonus of 100% in December, and I would recommend that. Not even recommend anything buying points unless you're booking immediately. Now moving on to some transfer bonuses. First, Chase has a 40% transfer bonus to Virgin Atlantic until November 30th. I would hold off on transferring anything over to there until November 1st because currently Virgin is scheduled to do a devaluation of their points by going to a dynamic pricing model start of November 1st. So I would wait and see what the award prices are before switching your points into Virgin Atlantic miles. Another transfer partner, Citi, also has a 30% bonus going to Virgin Atlantic, and this is until November 16th. Again, I would wait to transfer those points until we see what the devaluation comes with when those dynamic award pricing steps in November 1st. Citi also has a transfer bonus to Wyndham Rewards for 20%. This also ends November 16th. Speaking of Citi, they also just added a new hotel transfer partner, and it is the I Prefer Hotels and Resorts program. This transfers at a 1-to-4 ratio, and from what I see, it will make 1 point worth 0.8 cents, which is not good at all. Unless they offer a very large transfer bonus of maybe 100%, 150%, I don't see it worth it transferring points over to here, because usually you can get Citi points to be worth at least 2 cents, if not more. So this is not a good overall transfer partner because you're just not getting enough value out of it. So some interesting news, SkyTeam has partnered with Trenitalia and Eurostar. Those are 2 major train systems within Europe, and I think it's really interesting that now you'll be able to book a complete itinerary, including flights and trains, once this rolls out, obviously in 2025. But when you're able to book that all together, it might be able to save you some money instead of having to fly maybe from Rome to Milan. Maybe instead of that, you're taking the train and it's saving you some time, saving you some money, and you just don't have to go through security or whatnot. So I think it'll be really interesting how it pans out, and look forward to seeing how I can book a train and airplane itinerary on one ticket. Lastly, sort of a fun topic, I think it was about 2 weeks ago now, SAS launched a 1,000,000-mile challenge. If you fly 15 SkyTeam airlines before the end of the year, they will give you 1,000,000 miles in their SAS Euro bonus program. There's also 2 lower tiers. If you fly 5 SkyTeam airlines, you'll get 10,000 miles, and if you fly 10, you'll get 100,000 miles. Honestly, looking at it, it's a lot of time in the air. If you can do this, I definitely say it's worth it. I've looked kind of just at baseline and see what other people are doing. I think you can get this ticket between $2,000 to $4,000 on all 15 airlines that you would need. It's pretty hard though because they only have 17 airlines that qualify. You're gonna have to fly a lot in Europe and then a lot over in Asia, specifically China. I know there's 4 or 5 Chinese carriers there. Very interesting. I don't think I'll be attempting this because it's just a lot of time, a lot of effort, and I don't want to be traveling on a plane for 48 out of the 48 hours or however long I would need to travel this. But either way, what do you think? Will you be taking advantage of any of the transfer bonuses? What do you think of Citi's new transfer partner? Do you like that Hyatt sub? Do you like it as the 5 free nights or just the basic points? And what do you think of SAS's 1,000,000-mile challenge? Let me know down in the comments below, and if you could hit that like and subscribe button, it would be greatly appreciated. Until next time, have a great day.